Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. Today we were going to show you guys how to update your Windows computer. Now this may seem like a simple thing, but this also gives you the power to control whether or not it updates for 35 days by pausing it. So first we go to settings, and then all the way down at the bottom it'll be update and security. So even though I updated today at 5:26 p.m., there's another update available. I do like that it separates the optional updates from the required ones. All you have to do is do download and install. And while it's doing that, I'm going to show you guys that right here, you can press this button to pause updates for 7 days. And you can change the active hours. Now, the active hours doesn't always work. Sometimes it'll update anyway. I'm not sure what's up with that. But what I really like is you can do this view update history. This tells you what you have. And it also updates your drivers, definition updates, and other updates. Gives you the whole history. And then you have your advanced options right here, where it says receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows, download updates over metered connections. So this will be like if you're on an LTE Surface, for instance. You might want to leave this off so it doesn't eat up all your LTE data. And then restart this device as soon as possible when a restart is required to install an update. Windows will display a notice before the restart and the device must be on and plugged in. So this is off. That way you have the power to restart your device whenever you're ready. And then this shows a notification when your PC requires a restart to finish updating. I would actually turn that on. That way you know and it doesn't surprise you. What I like right here is the big thing that always got me when I was writing notes in college. You can pause updates right here. You can select any date you want, and it will pause updates for up to 35 days. And when you reach the pause limit, your device will need to get new updates before you can pause again. To me, this is very fair. It keeps you safe, but at the same time, it also prevents you from having your computer do updates for 20 minutes while you're in the middle of class. Nothing is more frustrating. So what's also really cool about this is when you have new updates and you've selected in your advanced options receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows, you will also get updates for your Windows Defender and all the drivers that Microsoft has available for your update. While I do believe that is the end of our tutorial for today, let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will catch you guys next time.